This is the box.
Hello mga ka-Life's Journey! Today, we are going to do unboxing Christmas tree. So, let's begin! This is the box.
This is from Manure Shop. This is it. Yay! Yes, we have to remove the bubble. It's very heavy. It's very heavy. Oh, this is with together with the Christmas lights. Oh, it costs $6.99. So this is the stand. This is the second one. We got the instructions how to install it. So now we are going to assemble it. First is the stand. So this is the stand. We're going to turn around like this. And this way here is for tightening. You have to lock it. This one. So let's start the letter A.
This is now the second one. So this is the more height of this Christmas tree.
This is it. So now let's begin to decorate it, and we have it here. So let's begin.